up like this. I know you're ready when your hands are up like that. Jason's ready. Gabriella's ready. This is how I know. Thank you, Daniel. The pieces are very small, so do your best to just keep them right there on your desk. Good, we're working. Okay. So what I'd like you to do is also you should have the cardstock. Did you take one? You should also have a piece of paper on your desk. Take your Ziploc bag and either put it on the ground or underneath your desk. You don't need that there. So please take one of the small squares, one of the very tiny small squares, and place it on your cardstock, on your board. Please show the yellow side. All I want on your board is a yellow square. This yellow square is just like the chips we used, but the yellow represents a positive 1. Yellow represents a positive 1. So on your chipboard, please show me 7. Show me 7. Easy enough. Look at the person next to you. Make sure they've got that as well. Clear it off. I want to get you to the fun stuff as quickly as possible, but we do have some review to do. On your chipboard, please show me -3. What do you think that's going to be? -3. Look around, see what people have. If you turn around that integer, if you turn it around, it's red, and we know that reds are always going to be negative, okay? We always know that reds are going to be negative. So one of those small red squares represents a -1. So we can use these just like we used to add and subtract integers using the positive and negative. You should have 3, right? Yep. 3 red squares. Please clear it off. Please show me 4 plus -1. 4 plus -1. So what we want to make sure is right now that we have our 2 integers displayed sort of separately. And this is an addition expression. So what's the motion that we use when we are adding? What's the motion that we're using when we're adding them together? Do it. You're combining 2 groups. Go ahead and combine 2 groups. With an expression, we simplify. How do you simplify an expression using algebra tiles? 1, 2. Okay, we can have some more. How do you simplify? Shafiq? Nice and loud. Oh, he says you have a positive 1 and a -1, and he did this, and they disappear. Take a positive 1 and a -1. Together, those opposite pairs are 0. Get rid of them. Poof. Disappear. What are you left with? What are you left with, Gabriella?
You're left with 3.
You're left with a positive 3. Clear it off.